In 2014, I started my first business while teaching kids English online. I remember thinking to myself, if only I had learned more about entrepreneurship as a kid, it would have been so much easier to get my business up and running. And that's why we've created the CEO Experience course. This program is designed to empower young entrepreneurs, helping them to develop essential life skills and promoting digital innovation and transformation. We want young innovators like you to consider careers as CEO and business owners viable options. Our course is immersive, interactive, and feature-packed with an opportunity to actually interact with a CEO at an excursion location, providing you with the tools and knowledge to succeed in business. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity and join the CEO Experience Camp today and unlock your full potential. Tap the link in the bio to sign up now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.